Okay, it's midway through August, so that means another update on what's happening at Talon Preserve. And the big news is real construction work is underway on the Amenity Center site. So we'll head over the main circle intersection of Talon Preserve Drive and Eagle Branch Drive, and then we'll get another perspective on the Amenity Center site. A top-down overhead view. That lets us clearly make out the newly placed wood forms that will define the shape of the concrete slab foundation for the main clubhouse. Prior to these forms just now going up, they spent weeks digging and pumping out water, all in order to place concrete water pipes for water, sewer, and/or stormwater drains. With that done, the above-ground work has begun. If it goes anything like the homes, the forms will be followed by placement of plumbing in the ground and then the pouring of the concrete slabs. You can see forms for the bathhouse as well, and digging work is underway also in the area of the sports courts. If you like what you're seeing, consider giving us a like so that we can get the word out farther. Next, we're back to Talon Preserve Drive, where we can see work has picked up on a number of lots. A few more slabs have been poured and forms placed, more homes are in blocks, and roofs are over most others. Only one home has closed so far on this street, but there are at least 3 that are getting very close. Overall, we expect that there will be quite a few closings coming up in September throughout the community. With yet more lots in slabs and more under roof and landscaped, that's a safe bet. Rather than head out into the desolation of what we presume will be Phase 3, we'll turn around and head back down Talon Preserve Drive. We'll come back to Phase 3 at the end, I promise. As we go, you can see some of the pools taking shape at some homes, and some stacks of concrete blocks placed on slabs ready to be made into walls. We just passed the construction office on the right, put in to manage the expanding construction work, and they've stacked materials near the construction office. They seem to be centrally managing some of the bulk materials rather than everything delivered directly to the homes. And that brings us back to the Amenity Center site. Next, we're off down Eagle Branch Drive, where work continues to ramp up. You know, those stacks of concrete blocks sure look like Lego blocks from up here. To your left, 2 lots have finally gotten forms and a slab, and to your right, most all homes are under roof and more forms are in place. Again to your left, the last in a long string of homes has finally received its blocks. 3 homes have closed on Eagle Branch, and a few are getting close with their landscaping and sod placed. Past the last few homes underway on Eagle Branch, that takes us out into Phase 2, where you can see that the roads are now complete and drivable, and the lots have their utilities buried and are ready for building. It's hard to know when home construction will begin out here, but the DiVosta website shows many lots already sold, so I'm sure some will begin in the months to come. Passing over Winding Pine Drive, we head down the court called Little Eagle. And now we'll head over and down a street we previously haven't covered, Grand Talon Lane, also known as Model Row. We're passing the 2-story trailside model back on the left, and then there's the Cascadia and Seagrove Villa models. On the right, you can see the Stellar model followed by the Mystique model. And finally on the left again, the Hallmark model is followed by the Sales Center in a stellar exterior. Grand Talon Lane itself is usually blocked off to vehicle traffic as it is devoted to the several model homes for the community. We'll pass over the Sales Center parking lot and head out to the main gate. And that takes us over to Crested Eagle Lane, which has been the busiest street for construction for some months now. That work has been bearing fruit as more homes on this street are either completed, closed, or nearly complete than any other. Back on the right, the complete or near complete homes form the longest continuous row with a completed walkable sidewalk. But there's still much more to do, and many homes are still in various stages of construction on Crested Eagle. Next up, it's over down Mossy Pine Court, featuring the Villa Home buildings. One is and has been complete and moved into, but now 2 more buildings are under roof, with another in slab and another in forms. Now we'll turn down onto the main entry portion of Talon Preserve Drive. Then we'll head on over to the main gate once again. Consider subscribing and giving this video a like so the algorithm can get this out to more folks over YouTube. And now, finally, as promised, we're transported back out to the other end of Talon Preserve Drive and into what I'm calling Phase 3. New roads have been cleared around what will be the largest lake in the community, and much more land has been cleared, often by burning the vegetation. The roads are nowhere near passable for the average vehicle though. That takes us out to the second entrance for the community onto Florida Route 681. The road work on 681 appears complete as the cones have been removed, but the entrance itself is not ready. Finally, here's a shot of the community map showing the status of the lots. Thank you for watching. Check out some of our other videos, and we'll see you again in the next video. Enjoy!